Today I'm making vegan nachos and we're just gonna get started. So I'm starting with these black beans, these canned black beans. I drained it maybe 50%. I'm gonna turn the fire on low and I'm just gonna add some seasoning. I'm gonna add some ground cumin, just a dash of garlic powder, a dash of cayenne pepper. Now for this other pan, I'm just gonna add some refried pinto beans. For the refried beans, I'm just gonna add a dash of pink Himalayan salt. I'm gonna just add spring water just to thin out the beans a little bit. As you can see, I just added a little bit of spring water just to thin out the beans slightly. Gonna add a dash of cumin as well. It's gonna give this a nice stir. Just gonna give these refried beans a nice stir too, kind of blend the water into the beans. You don't have to add water, but I'm doing this because I'm not using any vegan cheeses. So this is kind of like my, I guess, cheese sauce. So that's why I want it to be a little bit thinner. Now, for anybody that's new to my channel, I want to tell you right now, I only shop for the most part with milk and eggs. I'll leave the link in the description box below because they have a lot of vegan friendly options and of course it's shipped to me. So these are my favorite chips ever. These are elote flavor and this is what we're going to be using for the nachos today. Now I'm just going to cut up this organic red onion, also from milk and eggs, and this jalapeno. And I will be back after I cut these. So I'm lazy, so I got a can of already sliced olives. I'm just going to also add this to my cutting board right now. All right, so on my elote chips, I'm just going to start with some refried beans. Then I'm just going to add a spoonful of black beans. Then I'm just adding some diced onions, adding some diced jalapenos, adding some salsa. Nachos would be nothing without guacamole. Add that right in the middle. Gonna garnish with some fresh cilantro, and then I'm going to top with some black olives. And boom, there you have it, my vegan nachos, and they're gonna be so good. And it took like 2 seconds to make, so I'm hype. I know the lighting is pretty trash, but I'm so excited to eat my food. So good. Definitely stay tuned for really quick meals like this. My sister, she is the one who has requested stuff, so I'm definitely gonna be coming at you guys with more very quick meals. So yeah, this is dinner or lunch, whatever you wanna do, but it's vegan and it's super good. So, bye guys.